Let's learn days of the week. It's Monday. Time for school fun. It's Tuesday. Tuesday comes after Monday, say Tuesday. It's Wednesday. Wednesday is the middle of the week. It's Thursday. Thursday is here, clap your hands. It's Friday. Friday is fun day, yay Friday. It's Saturday. Saturday is play day, let's enjoy. It's Sunday. Sunday is rest day, family time.
Great job! You learned the 7 days of the week. Let's say it again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Kids, now you will say the days of the week. Okay, let's start. What comes first?
Monday.
Very good. After Monday.
Tuesday.
Excellent. And after Tuesday?
Wednesday.
Great job. What comes next?
Thursday.
Super. After Thursday?
Friday.
Perfect. Now what comes after Friday?
Saturday.
Wonderful. And the last day?
Sunday.
Yay. You did it. Can you say all the days together?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Amazing. You learned the 7 days of the week.
Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.